right, well, it never ends. We got two machines, one Can-Am and one Razor broke down at the Hurricane Sand Dune, so we're gonna go do the loop, get the first guy that called first gathered up, and then we'll go after the second one and go from there. We'll take you along for the ride. Sneaking in here, we're partway in, and it's a rough son of a gun. I feel sorry for the Jeep and for that poor trailer. Poor thing. But we know they're kind of a consumable when we start doing this with them, so.
And I'm stuck out here.
It's your birthday too?
Yeah.
Hey, happy birthday.
Thank you.
All right, there it is. Broken ball joint yet again. Other than that, that's what it's supposed to look like. What a pain.
Yeah.
Well. Get out of here now. Get a Can-Am through the windshield.
Yeah, I can tell you come here more often.
I should move out here.
Just have a camper out here. Just in the campground.
I don't know if I want to try to climb that, but let's go for it. Probably not the smartest thing I've done all day. We're going to go on this one too, and we're going to get lots of air, maybe. It's alright. I won't kill you. I want to live myself. I mean, you might not be able to walk and your face might be crinkled, but Allah won't let you die.
Is this one done for today then?
Well, if it makes it back up on the sand dunes and back, it's not. Exciting. We worked our way out of there and got them back to their trailer. They're actually going to go get a machine from Bill tomorrow and go take a tour of the Grand Canyon in one of his rental machines. Now they're broke down, so hopefully they have a good time out there tomorrow, and Bill will take dang good care of them. So thanks for coming along for the ride. Now we're off for round 2.
Yeah, number 2.
Oh, these guys get out here and have too much fun. Looks like lost a ball joint. Lower too.
Yep.
Doggone it. Balled that baby right up. What about that hole right there? Perfect. Ate it?
Well, we've been all over today. I left at 4 this morning. We got down, we're out here by 11.
Oh, nice.
We've been out, we did double Sammy.
I might have come and joined you.
Yeah, we drove double Sammy in the chute. Went plan B, got done with that. West rim. Well, though we took that.
Watch that, and I'll try to make sure we get this corner back here. kind of a mess when the ball joints are gone, but we're pretty close getting it on the trailer anyways. So there you go. Let's go ahead and go with that. Oh yeah. All the way. Got her now, man. There you go. Right there will work. All the way to the back. A little more. Okay. We got lucky, didn't we? Yeah. All right, you guys, we ended up out here again chasing Jason down. Remember him from a few months ago?
Broken steering rack. Now it's a lower ball joint. It's always something.
So we had a good time getting it loaded. That upper or lower ball joint had broke, so it kind of cammed everything over and bound it up. So getting it on the trailer was a little bit of a feat, but we're just going to work our way out of here nice and easy. And thanks for coming along for the ride. You guys want to see how good of a backer I am? Actually, Jason is a heck of a guide. Look at that baby, just barely fit in there.